Okay, so to remove the headlight on this Kia, you need to remove these clips. There's several of them. I just removed 5. That gives me enough room for this bracket right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Can I use pliers because sometimes it's really hard to remove it. Here we go. Then after that, there's a 110mm bolt right here. Then after that, you just pull the headlight out, and that's how you remove this headlight. Okay, now you just pull it from the sides. Alright. That's how you remove a headlight.